Are you ready to transform your Chevy Silverado into a powerhouse of style and functionality? In this ultimate showdown, we unveil the best tonneau covers that combine elegance with unbeatable performance. Say goodbye to annoying cargo theft and hello to enhanced aerodynamics that boost your fuel efficiency. Whether you crave the rugged utility of a hard cover or the sleek design of a soft option, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive into the top contenders, showcasing features that will elevate your truck experience. From heavy-duty durability to seamless installation, these tonneau covers are game changers that every Silverado owner needs. Don't miss out on the chance to unleash the full potential of your truck. Let's get started. Number 7. Tonneau Trifold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500, specifically designed for the fleet-side 5.8 feet bed. This cover offers a perfect fit while enhancing your truck's functionality and appearance. Constructed from heavy-duty double-layer PVC, Tonneau's cover withstands UV rays and extreme weather conditions, ensuring your cargo is always protected from snow and dust. Installation is a breeze, requiring no extra tools or drilling, thanks to the pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps. Plus, the aerodynamic design not only looks sleek, but helps improve your gas mileage, making it an eco-friendly addition to your vehicle. With a tailgate lock feature, you can rest easy knowing that your cargo is securely stored. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado, the Tonneau Trifold Tonneau Cover provides the ideal blend of security, convenience, and style that every pickup owner desires. Number 6. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate addition for 2019 to 2024 Chevy/GMC Silverado/Sierra owners, especially those with a 5 feet 10 inches bed and multi-pro/flex tailgate. Crafted from top-quality, leather-grain textured vinyl, this cover not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also its functionality. Enjoy the convenience of a fast and easy installation process that requires no drilling. Simply clamp it onto your truck bed. One of the standout features of the Gator ETX is the 100% truck bed access, allowing you to roll the cover towards the cab and secure it with a storage strap when you need full access. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp, you can drive with confidence knowing you're covered. Designed and made in the USA, this tonneau cover is perfect for anyone looking for the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado. Don't miss out on the opportunity to improve your truck's functionality and style. Number 5. Perfit Liner Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is designed specifically for the 2007 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8 foot bed, making it the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado. This durable cover features a matte black textured finish and is crafted from high-strength materials, including fiberglass reinforced polymer honeycomb panels. This construction provides maximum protection against the elements, making it waterproof, snowproof, and dirt-proof. It secures your cargo while enhancing your truck's look. Installation is a breeze, no drilling or additional tools required. Just a simple rotation of the screw aligns it perfectly with your truck track. With a maximum bearing weight of 500 pounds, it's robust enough for all your needs. The cover also offers sound isolation and environmental benefits, ensuring your truck remains energy efficient. Plus, with Perfit's dedicated support team, you're never alone if any issues arise. Elevate your driving experience with this stylish and practical solution that keeps your truck bed dry and secure. Number 4. Autosaver 88 has hit the mark with their soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover. Designed specifically for the 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8 foot bed, this cover offers a precise fit, ensuring your truck looks sharp and stays protected. Its unique clamp design features innovative rear clamps with a release bolt for a secure fit, and a safety buckle paired with an aluminum rope promises durability and stability. Installation is a breeze with the no-drill setup, complete with all necessary instructions and hardware, allowing you to fold it back effortlessly for easy cargo access. Crafted from reinforced PVC materials, this cover provides all-around protection against rain, snow, and harsh weather. One of its standout benefits is improved gas mileage, as its sleek appearance reduces wind resistance, enhancing fuel efficiency. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado, the AutoSaver 88 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover is a must-have for style, functionality, and protection. Number 3. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2007 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 5.8-foot short box. Custom designed to fit perfectly, this hard trifold cover is made from a robust fiberglass material that can withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring durability and resistance against wear, including hail protection. The installation process is a breeze with its clamp-on and no-drill design, allowing you to effortlessly attach or detach the cover as needed. Alongside its ease of use, it enhances your vehicle's security with reinforced hinges and strong locking mechanisms, making it a tough barrier against theft. Plus, its sleek, aerodynamic style not only looks great but also boosts fuel efficiency by improving gas mileage, staying stable even at highway speeds without any flapping. With an extra weather strip, 6 clamps included, and a generous 60-month warranty, the Whale Motor Tonneau Cover is the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado owners seeking style, functionality, and security. Upgrade your truck bed today. Number 2. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an excellent choice for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This cover features a sleek design crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, ensuring long-lasting durability. The U.S. patented cover includes a robust aircraft-grade aluminum frame and stainless steel clamps that guarantee easy installation and a snug fit. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide excellent support while allowing for hassle-free bed access when needed. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, and it comes with all necessary mounting hardware and instructions. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers. Upgrade your truck's functionality and aesthetics with this outstanding product from Tiger Auto, designed for the perfect fit and superior weather protection. Don't miss out on enhancing your Silverado experience. Number 1. Rough Country Hard Low Profile Truck Bed Cover for Chevy Silverado 1500/MC Sierra 1500 2019 2024 is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for your truck. This sleek and sophisticated hard low-profile design is finished in a textured black powder coat, ensuring not only style but also durability. Made from corrosion-resistant aluminum panels, this cover is built to last, equipped with a secure track and rail mounting system that includes drain tubes for added convenience. The tri-fold design allows for easy cargo access while driving, with nylon straps that keep it securely in place in the 2/3 open position. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required. Everything you need is included. Plus, the seamless integration with your truck's tailgate lock enhances security, giving you peace of mind while on the road. With Rough Country's reliable USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, you can trust you're making a smart investment for your Chevy Silverado. Upgrade your truck today and enjoy the epitome of style and protection. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado not only enhances its appearance, but also boosts functionality and security. With various options available, consider your specific needs and preferences to find the perfect fit. Whether for everyday use or special occasions, the right cover will significantly elevate your truck experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful content.